We see sometimes parents think, okay, well, I want to do an adoption. It's as easy as getting in front of the court and saying, I want to adopt this person. And that's really not the case, especially when it's a child adoption. You have to get a guardian ad litem appointed. That's someone who looks out for the best interests of the child. They're almost like an attorney for the child. And they present a report to the court about what they believe is in that child's best interest and whether the adoption is appropriate or not. So that's a step that people often don't realize is going to come into play. Another wrinkle is a name change. Sometimes when you're doing an adoption, you also want a name change, and there's different standards and different things you have to prove to the court in order to get a name change. And when it comes to a child, there's certain factors that have to be met that the guardian ad litem investigates as well, but that you have to show to the court that you meet those factors in order to effectuate the name change. And if it is an adult adoption with a name change, you have to show other factors. You have to show that you're not avoiding any child support obligation or any bankruptcy proceedings and things like that. So there are different wrinkles to adoptions depending on the case that people don't always realize are there. It's not as simple as just saying, well, I want to adopt them and be responsible for them.